am Mahamudur Rahman, a student of Kilgan Govt High School. In class 5, I tried to recite the story of Why Does the Frog Croak from my textbook. I have drawn the picture by myself. What sound does a frog make? Croak, croak. It isn't a beautiful sound, but a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voices. They could sing more than the birds. This all changed because of one frog named Bluster. Bluster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him.
5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub.
Please teach us how to sing, the animals asked. But Bluster always answered in the same way. No, no, my voice is mine. I cannot share it, he said. One morning, Maxie the rabbit, Croak the lizard, talked to the fox and the rat. Bluster has such a big, beautiful voice. Surely he can share it with us, said Maxie. They agreed. Bluster should share his voice with them. It was such a big voice. Each animal could have just a small piece of it. Bluster could share his voice with each animal. The animals talked and talked late into the afternoon. They made a plan to take Bluster's voice. They decided not to tell the birds, but they didn't have to tell them. The birds are sitting in the trees and they heard the animals' plan. At midnight, Croak and Maxie quietly went to Bluster's home. Bluster was sleeping in his bed, and without making a sound, they took his voice. They put it into a glass jar. Croak and Maxie took the glass jar outside. The other animals were waiting. Oh, give me my piece, said the fox. I want my piece, said the rat. Suddenly, the jar fell to the ground and it broke. Bluster's voice and the jar were now in 100 little pieces. Oh no! Cried Maxie. The animals searched, but they couldn't find any of the pieces. It was too dark, and the pieces were too small. What are we going to do? Asked Croak. We will come back in the morning, said Maxie. And all the animals went home without a piece of Bluster's beautiful voice. They were all very tired from looking for the voice, so they went to sleep. In the morning, as the sun came up, the birds went out to have their breakfast. With their good eyes, the birds saw the little pieces of the beautiful voice on the ground. They carefully picked up the pieces. They didn't leave one piece of the beautiful voice behind. That afternoon, the animals finally woke up. They ran to get the pieces of Bluster's voice, but all they found there was broken glass. They searched and searched, but there were no pieces of the voice. Then suddenly they heard a beautiful song coming from the trees. Blaster voice was coming from the trees. They looked up and saw the birds singing. And to this day, the birds singing with Blaster beautiful voice, and Blaster and all the other frogs can only say croak croak.